Whoa. Pixel ripped. Okay.
Hey! Hey, dork! What you playing there?
Pixel ripped?
Does that pixel rip a dot to the future?
No, it's
I
Minecraft.
beat that game like a gazillion times.
I do not care.
You know they're gonna release a new pixel rip game for Christmas, right? Don't tell anyone, but my uncle works at Ultimate. So how about the new Ultimate 32 before anyone else?
Yeah,
I could show you, but it's like top secret. Besides, I wouldn't show it to a dork like you. You're not ready for an Ultimate 32.
Hi, honey. Oh, sorry I'm late. The open house took way too long. Where is your dad? He should be back by now. Oh, hey there, Mike.
Hi, Mrs. Key.
David, seriously?
What?
The day has barely started and you're already on that video game? You don't even know what's inside the plastic box. People are saying there's radiation leaking from it. Do you know what radiation could do to a growing boy?
Yeah, David. Maybe that's why you're so short.
Oh my!
No, it's not.
You think so? Oh no! I gotta ask the pediatrician about this.
Interesting.
Oh, look at him.
Do I kill this?
Outside.
Oh, I can.
Doesn't he look happy? What's he holding? Is that a book? Such a nice book.
Is that from trouble? What's he even doing? I think he may be a bit special.
You're ruining the game. Now I just have to go and play it for myself. See you later, dork.
Freak off.
Bye, Mrs. Key. I'm gonna take a walk around town and hope some old ladies
Goodbye, sweetheart. Did you hear that, David? You should learn a little from Mike and find something more productive to do with your holidays. When I get off the phone, you better not be playing that thing.
No.
Do you understand?
Okay, I'm good.
David, come say hi to your tia.
Shut up.
Oh, never mind. That video game got him hypnotized again. I know. I'm trying, but Red keeps indulging it. Why do I need to be the bad guy here? Can you...
Oh, no.
David asked me for Christmas. Something called
That's easy.
Ultimate 32? What does that even mean? Ultimate violence? I can't give him that. Oh, but it's Christmas. I don't want him to hate me. What am I going to do?
Oh, what is that? Huh? Oh. These are my pro gamer skills. No! Got it.
Did you watch the news yesterday? That handsome doctor said video games can make kids forget how to speak. Don't you think David's been a bit too quiet lately?
Shut up. What is... Oh wait, no, I would say... I know what that is. Yay! What do I do?
What's happening to kids these days? When we were little, we had to beg our parents to let us go out. Now all David wants to do is stay home all day.
I might be the best at this game. What do I do? Oh my god, that was like the second clutch.
But what can I do? I can't just shut off the power so he can play, right? Oh, you did? How did it go?
I couldn't even see it, but I still killed it. It's a true gamer right there. Oh, there's a chest. I didn't even realise. I'm gonna get these stuff. What are these? I don't know, but I want them. They're all mine.
Amanda from Finances told me her daughter went bald after playing too much.
No.
Can you believe that?
I don't want to go bald, please. It's gonna be a weird. Yeah, there's a thing. And I killed it. Checkpoint. What? I can't pick them up. I hate this game.
What?
Yes.
David! Are you still on that thing?
Okay, I got
I'm sorry, Isabella. I'm going to have to call you back. Okay, David, time's up. Do I need to force you to turn? That's it. I'm sorry, but I need to protect you from your bad luck. But I just cleaned this room.
Oh. Wait, can I? Let's go. Move. Thank you. Oh, yes. Okay, we're good. Please don't block me in. They block me in. Oh, I'm cooked.
Oh,
no.
Darn it! I was supposed to call them yesterday. I'll be right back to deal with you, mister. Hello, Mary! This is Karen! Just calling to check in. Did you have time to think about the studio? Oh, no. That wasn't a leak. It was
Yes, I got checkpoint.
an indoor waterfall. Yes, it's the hottest trend in Europe right
Everyone's not
now.
going to be able to hear me.
Well, of course I could show you
I got
some
big hands.
pictures.
Yeah, wonderful. Oh, it's following me.
David, get off that game already!
Cookies. Where are cookies? Where are the cookies when I need
If
them?
you can't make good decisions for yourself,
checkpoint.
I'll make them for you. Oh, no, you didn't. You're making me lose my patience, David.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Huh?
Subscribe to Roberto. Let's play this game again.